there, guys, it's Gus, and today we're taking out the Arrma Kraton Exb. If you can't tell, I have a different body on there. That motor ESC is the 160 amp and the 1250 kV. It's running a 19 tooth pinion right now, which is a touch on the small side. Well, for my liking anyway, it's plenty, but I like a little bit extra wheel speed. We're running jack servo in there. And I do have, this is going to be my first run with the Proline wing mount on here. This is a comes with a skid. It's got this bar here that goes up and reinforces the wing, so, or Proline RPM I mean. So yeah, hopefully that should help strengthen her up a little bit, and it should also, the way that's designed, it should help from busting the gear cases when you are landing too hard on the back end, because it does kind of reinforce that back end. So we'll see what happens. I've only broken one rear case so far, but you never can be too careful, and it looked like a good deal, so I figured I'd give her a whirl. Running the radio link transmitter and receiver in it yet. This one I got the RC4 GS in. I will have links in the description for the majority of the parts. The batteries are the Genzace Bashing 8000 milliamp. These have been great batteries. They charge up real good. My only issue is the plugs are a little loose, so they do tend to come apart a little easier. I checked the diffs and everything. Everything looked good. Didn't look like nothing was skipping. And the battery's unplugged. I checked the rear diff and now it's fine. I wonder if my center diff is messed up. Looks like I'll be tearing this thing apart. Uh-oh, we broke something. Besides the ramp. Lost front drive when I hit that. Now she popped my drive shaft out. Well, I guess we're done with our ramps for this year. Plastic was flying everywhere. That's alright, I should probably quit driving it anyway. I just got to find out what's going on with that clicking. I had it fixed for one run and now it started clicking again. I wonder if that thing come loose again. Doesn't look like I got a cracked diff case or anything, because that'll make them click. And the way it's doing it, it's got to be the back one or the center one. That ain't good. I got my fan wire hanging in there. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to pop this thing apart quick, put that axle back in, and do a little bit of ripping around and see if I can figure out where that clicking's coming from. Okay, got the axle fixed. And on this one, I did not do my update that I do on them usually, and it helps keep that axle in there. If your hub is more straight up and down, and these are actually at quite an extreme angle, what I do is these stock shims that are in here, hopefully I got the camera aimed in the right spot here. You can see here I move all of them to the back, which rolls this hub forward, and the axle is actually kind of tweaked this way, so when you roll the hub forward, it puts more axle into your hub, and it stops the axles from coming out. So let's get this thing fired back up and see if I can figure out where this clicking is coming from. I'm not worried about stuff breaking. I got spare parts in the house. I mean, I'll probably just throw another diff in it anyway, so. Might as well make whatever's making the noise quit making the noise, so then I know what I gotta replace. Just gonna send it. Almost sounds like an old Ford 306 with an exhaust leak. I think it is the rear diff. She's starting to act goofy. Or maybe it's because I got sticks wrapped around this side. Uh-oh. She's about cooked now. Yeah, she's cooked. Well, I don't know what's wrong. Alright, well, I guess that's all we're gonna do for today. I'm gonna go tear this thing apart. I'm gonna have to start wrenching on some stuff. I got about 5 of them I gotta tear apart and fix. Alright, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.